In this video, we're going to take you through unboxing and setting up your new printer. First, carefully cut through the packing tape and be sure to save your service decal. Once you get the top open, remove your manual and the power cord. Next, remove the two pieces of styrofoam. Open both of your bags and carefully remove and place your printer. Following along with the setup guide, start removing the thin strips of tape and styrofoam. You will need to lift the scanner assembly to get to those two pieces of tape. Press the button on the right-hand side of the machine to open the front access door. Remove the tape and styrofoam that holds your toner cartridge in place during shipping. At the rear of the machine, you will find two pieces of packing material with red paper. Open the back cover and pull out the tape and styrofoam shipping blocks from the fuser assembly. You will notice two green levers. Both of these levers should be in the up position. If one of the levers is in the down position, like the lever seen on the right, you will need to reach in and flip it back up into the up position. Next, we will open the front cover. Remove the toner cartridge, give it 6 or 7 shakes, and reinsert it. Remove the paper tray and remove all tape and styrofoam shipping materials. Adjust the paper guides to match your paper. Insert your paper. Make sure the guides are snug. And close the drawer. Adjust the catch tray at the exit of the machine. Insert the power plug at the back of the device, and carefully plug the device into your outlet. Don't forget to insert the USB dongle if you plan to use the printer wirelessly. And that's it! Your printer is physically set up and ready to be configured.